OTA, I know that it was pretty a good start, definitely. And I would say one of the biggest upshot of that was I met Ajit sir and Mahesh sir. And at that time, I got the few, like everybody, we got the nuances of how to get into supply and demand. But what sets Ajit sir also apart is, once I had some great difficulty because obviously trading in using OTA strategies, everybody had their pitfalls. Everybody had stop outs and things were going really bad. And it so happens that he had his on location class. And at that moment, things were so horribly wrong that I actually called him up separately and I said, I need to have just a one-on-one meet just to clear some doubts. Of all the days that it was the last day of his weekly, the on-site location. Normally an instructor would be really fagged out, but he let me meet him, discuss the charts, and he gave that extra special time to just hone my skills. Kudos to him, really. That makes exemplifies the fact that there is more to it than just the monetary aspect of teaching. They teach it with passion. And the same with Mahesh sir. There has never been a case when I've asked him a question and it has just been ignored in all the chat windows before. He has answered every single question, very kind, and obviously we know the sessions don't last 2 hours, it lasts 3 hours. So kudos to that, they go that extra mile in teaching us, and definitely, no matter what it is, we are proud to be your students, both of you. Thank you so much.